How you guys doing today? This is Andy Omar, and today we're going to talk about Fowl Bobby. It's a brand new place in Angeles City, and yes, very delicious American style food.
Well, I am living proof that you can live in the Philippines very great, like in the US. Right now, I ordered some nice food. Wow, it comes with I got a 20% discount voucher from Fowl Bobby. Yeah, well, it is great. It smells great. I haven't even tasted it yet, but yes, for Andy Omar, you got ribs for 380 with mac and cheese and stewed greens. And then I got the catfish for 290 with seasoned corn and the corn and bacon and the seasoned fries. You know, the writer's fee and everything. It's perfect. So, what do we have here? We have and it's nicely sealed too. Nice. Ooh, that is some nice catfish. I'm just opening it up right now. Man, that is delicious. And remember, this is from Fowl Bobby restaurant. Check this out. It's in Angeles City. So like their page, whatever, call them up. Hey, that is missing a number there. Oh, anyway, everything is there. They have a coupon, but I got the coupon. So yes, it comes with the fries. Let me try one out. Delicious. Bacon bits and corn. Now that's hot. Look at this catfish. And yeah, these are nice. Little containers, they're high quality. Okay. So look at this nice little catfish right here. Damn. That looks delicious. Damn. That hits the spot. This is the right stuff. And with cornbread, you know a lot of people can't get cornbread here in the Philippines, right? Real authentic cornbread. That motherfucker's good. Alright, so we're going to the second plate, which I got. I'm gonna eat this first, but you know, this is for later for dinner. Hold on a second. Alright, so getting out the second plate, of course, sealed, nice. Yeah, it's a real nice, Fowl Bobby, man. They great. Let me see how's this ribs looking over here, man. Ooh, man, you got some greens. You got the nice cornbread, some mac and cheese, and ribs. Damn, that looks good as fuck. Fall off the bone and everything. Like, literally. Look at that, fall off the bone. Okay. That's delicious as fuck. And you know, you ain't gonna collard greens here in the Philippines. Man, I'm gonna be eating good tonight. And you got the mac and cheese. Mac and cheese is perfect. Man, damn, these I miss some collard greens. Well, definitely, it's perfect. It's nice. Of course, I call it containers. Got the fish. The fries are good. Somebody said there was a issue with the fries. Yeah, it was a bit. It was well seasoned, but not too much salt. But I think the salt is perfect. Oh yeah. Again, this is Fowl Bobby, and definitely some great food, man. What else can I say? Look at, man. Yeah, that's some good prices, and that's a whole mess of food, man. That's heaps of food right there. So yeah. Well, I'm eating this with my hands. I'm not even using any forks. This chili is great, man. Spicy chili, like American type. You know, none of that banana ketchup shit. Kind of like Tabasco, you know. And pretty spicy too. I mean, got a little lemon kick on it. So yeah, cayenne and all that shit. But yeah, I believe it's homemade, and it's great. And then, of course, the tartar sauce. put some white cream in my mouth. Yeah, it's delicious. There is no issues whatsoever, man. I'm just nitpicking at it with my hands. It's so delicious, man. Alright, guys. This is Andy Omar. I'm gonna grub. Signing out. Peace.
Thank you.